Hey there, welcome back. Are you getting this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam error? Then you are at right place. I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this. Just go to Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Then click on uninstall and try to reinstall. It would fix your issue. If there is still any problem, then go back to any browser, search for WhatsApp. Here you have to just click on top left menu panel. After that, click on Help Center. Now scroll down and click on Contact Us. Now click on Contact Us. Now put your phone number, email address and confirm your email address and the device in which you are using WhatsApp and type a message in third panel. After putting all the information above, type the message, "Hi team, my phone number has been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Could you please kindly fix the problem? Thanks." After putting all the above information, tap on next step. After tapping on next step, there is a contact page of WhatsApp. You just have to click on send question. Now, your report has been successfully received to WhatsApp. WhatsApp will review your account and unban your account. Thank you so much. If you really find it helpful, do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.